Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, summer days are meant for pool parties, and what better way to enjoy the sun than with some epic pool games? Today, we're counting down the top 5 pool games that'll make your poolside fun even better. So, whether you're into sports, diving, or just chilling in the water, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5, we've got the Jason Well Pool Toys Diving Rings. Now, if you're looking for a game that's both fun and active, diving rings are the way to go. This set comes with 28 colorful toys, which means you can create all kinds of underwater challenges. The rings are perfect for kids and adults alike. You'll be diving and dodging for hours. Plus, it's great for improving swimming skills while having a blast. A classic, no-frills game that everyone can enjoy. At number 4, we have the Joyin Inflatable Pool Float Set, and let me tell you, this is the ultimate multi-sport combo. Featuring both a volleyball net and a basketball hoop, this set transforms your pool into a sports arena. Whether you're spiking a volleyball or making a jump shot, this set adds serious competition to your poolside fun. The best part? It's inflatable, so it's easy to set up and take down. If you've got a group, this is the perfect choice for a fun-filled afternoon. Coming in at number 3, we've got something a little different, but just as fun. The Pool Toys Games Set, Tic-Tac-Toe. Who said you couldn't play this classic board game in the pool? This inflatable tic-tac-toe board lets you challenge your friends with oversized X's and O's floating around the pool. It's a fun, easygoing game that requires a little strategy and a lot of laughs. Plus, it's an awesome way to keep the younger ones entertained while you take a break. Taking the silver medal at number 2 is the Watermelon Ball JR Pool Toy for Underwater Games. If you've never played underwater basketball, you're missing out. This unique water-filled ball lets you shoot and dunk it underwater. The soft texture and fun, quirky design of the watermelon ball make it a favorite for poolside activities. It's perfect for all ages and takes your usual pool basketball game to a whole new level. Trust me, you'll never want to play regular pool basketball again. And finally, the number 1 pool game is Go Sports Splash Hoop Pro. This is hands down the best pool basketball game on the market. The Splash Hoop Pro brings all the competitive fun of basketball right into your pool. It comes with a sturdy hoop, a high-quality ball, and it even features an adjustable height so everyone can get in on the action. Whether you're aiming for a dunk or shooting a three-pointer, this game takes pool sports to the next level. It's perfect for those who want a game that's a little more serious but still tons of fun. There you have it, folks. The top 5 best pool games to elevate your summer poolside adventures. Whether you're diving for rings or sinking a shot with your friends, these games will keep you entertained all day long. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome summer content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.